Welcome to icupping. See if this is, if your neck is relaxed, you're always tensing for.
Oh! Ready? Ready.
Ready? Turn for me all the way. Relax. I have to distract you, otherwise you won't let me.
Wow.
Just relax. Anything?
That is mad.
That was key. That was real key.
Turn around again. Relax. Loose.
Wow.
How did that feel?
It's good.
Yeah. Scared? It's not very bad. Relax, loose. There you go. It's not painful, is it? No. Give me this one. Relax.
Ooh. Wow.
First time.
Yo, yes.
Relax. Just chest up. Just relax. How did that feel?
Nice.
Just relax.
Wow.
Relax. There you go. This one, just relax. Loose. You just turn around. Is that max you can go, yeah?
Yeah.
You can't go more now.
What?
There you go.
Wow.
Done it. Done it, bro. Done it. Done it.
Yeah.
This was the sole side, yeah? Let's do this one. Turn as much as you can to that side. No, drop that for me. Relax, loose. Is that painful?
A little bit. Wait.
Done it, bro, done it.
Okay, yeah.
Relax.
Oh!
Got it. Just about that, very good.
Just relax, yeah? Just relax, yeah?
You're ready. Relax. No, relax. There.
I can't trust you. I'm paranoid.
Nice.
I don't touch your man like this.
Just there. Relax. Loose. No, loose.
Oh.
It's crazy, isn't it? How he just goes all
Fell down my spine.
Oh, madness. This is what you call Dr. Refresh. Icupping. Relax. Relax, loose. There you go.